In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily reset a slide in your PowerPoint presentation. Whether you're looking to quickly revert a slide to its original layout or clear any unwanted changes, these simple steps will guide you through the process with ease and efficiency. First, we'll begin by opening the PowerPoint presentation file you are working on. Ensure that the file is accessible on your device, as this is the starting point for making any alterations to your slides. It helps to be familiar with the location where your files are stored, whether it's a folder on your desktop or within a cloud-based storage system. So, take a moment to navigate to your desired presentation and double-click to open it up in Microsoft PowerPoint. Now let's focus on the specific slide you wish to reset. In the slide thumbnail pane on the left side of your PowerPoint window, scroll through until you locate the slide needing a reset. Be mindful of its position. This will help you stay organized, especially in larger presentations with many slides to sort through. Once you've pinpointed the slide in question, simply right-click on it. For those unfamiliar, right-clicking involves using the button on the right-hand side of your mouse or trackpad. This action will bring up a menu with a variety of options tailored to the context of your selection. This step is instrumental as it opens the gateway to modifying your slide. Within the menu that appears, you'll spot an option labeled Reset Slide. Click on this and watch how PowerPoint seamlessly reverts your slide back to its default layout and design, removing any customizations or additional elements you've added since its original creation. This function is particularly beneficial for those moments when you wish to start fresh, without the hassle of manually deleting each edited component. And just like that, you're done. The process of resetting your PowerPoint slide is as simple as it is effective, sparing you the time and frustration of manually re-editing the slide from scratch. It's a handy trick, especially when you need to make bulk adjustments or correct multiple slides within a presentation. So remember, whenever you need to reset a slide during your presentation preparations, all you need to do is right-click on the specific slide and select Reset Slide. It's a small but mighty feature within PowerPoint that streamlines your workflow and keeps your presentation looking polished and professional. Thank you for following along with today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, please consider sharing it with someone who might also benefit from learning this quick PowerPoint trick. Stay tuned for more useful tips and tricks for mastering your presentation skills.